Okay, I'm in South Markham with it today, and there's no cooling call on this air conditioner here. As you can see, it's old. You can see the ice forming from the compressor going right downstairs to the line here. Older unit, it's an R22, it's low on refrigerant. So as I was mentioning in previous videos, in Ontario they no longer use R22, so as you can tell it's low because you have a snowball here. When I look at the model and serial from 2000, see the serial number there, 8400. This is 25 years old. It's a 2-ton, one word, replacement. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll HVAC you later. Peace.